Namaskar, welcome to BSG News. This is Jesh Taradi from Telangana State. Let us have a look on headlines. Newly opened Adventure Institute of Bharat Scouts and Guides at Kurseong, Darjeeling is now a spot of attraction of the youth. Southern region of Bharat Scouts and Guides has organized a webinar on community development. Honorable Governor of Gujarat, Shri Acharya Devrat awarded Rajya Puraskar Scout Guide Award. The Rovers and Rangers of Northern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides came forward to assist in vaccination campaign against corona pandemic. Jal Seva Shibira drinking water distribution service is being rendered by the members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan undertaken by NF Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Shri Gopal Krishna Bhatt, leader trainer scout of Karnataka and veteran leader of Bharat Scouts and Guides, passed away on 14th April 2021. World Health Day observed by Odisha State and Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Bharat Ratna Baba Saheb Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar's birth anniversary was celebrated by Bharat Scouts and Guides in different parts of the nation. A trekking to Kairam Falls Sohra was participated by Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Eastern Railway and Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully conducted Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence course training workshop. News in brief. Newly opened Adventure Institute of Bharat Scouts and Guides at Kurseong, Darjeeling, now the spot of attraction of the youth. The second National Adventure Program was conducted at National Adventure Institute, Kurseong, Darjeeling from 12th to 16th April 2021, in which 48 participants attended from Gujarat, NC Railway, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh and Western Railway State. The program was conducted under the leadership of Srimati Surekha Srivastava, Director NAI, Kurseong, Darjeeling, West Bengal. Southern region of Bharat Scouts and Guides has organized a webinar on community development workshop from 15th to 17th April 2021. The workshop was inaugurated by Honorable Additional Chief National Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides India, M.A. Khalid KAS retired, Shri Chinnaswamy Reddy, National Commissioner Headquarters for Community Development, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Shri Rajkumar Kaushik, Director of Bharat Scouts and Guides, and Shri Krishnaswamy, Executive Director, and eminent leaders of Bharat Scouts and Guides were also present in the opening ceremony. 87 district organizing commissioners and unit leaders actively attending the workshop from 8 states. Honorable Governor of Gujarat State Shri Acharya Devrat awarded Rajya Puraskar Scout Guide Award in Rajya Puraskar Award ceremony at Raj Bhavan, Gandhinagar on 9th April 2021, organized by Bharat Scouts and Guides Gujarat State. Shri Dilip Bhai J. Chaudhary, Vice President of Gujarat State Bharat Scouts and Guides, and Shri Amish Bhai Vaidya, Associate Scout, were present in the award ceremony. The Rovers and Rangers of Northern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides came forward to assist in vaccination campaign against corona pandemic in LLR Hospital at Rail Coach Factory, Kapurthala. Jal Seva Shibira drinking water distribution service is being rendered by the members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides in this hot summer. They are distributing lemon and buttermilk and also distributing leaflets about sunstroke at different areas of Jharsuguda. The Badarpur District Association organized a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan program for Scouts and Guides on 11th of April 2021 at District Scout Hut, Badarpur. 54 participants along with 9 unit leaders and other district officials took active part in the program. They cleaned the whole district scout hut and its nearby areas. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka mourns the death of Shri Gopal Krishna Bhatt, leader trainer scout. He breathed his last at 7:30 p.m. on 14th April 2021. More than a leader trainer, he is remembered as a great scout master as he instilled the life skills and scout spirit in hundreds of scouts who graduated under his scout mastership. Scout Guide fraternity pay tributes to the departed soul. World Health Day observed by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 7th April 2021 to creating awareness on good health. 7th of April each year marks the celebration of World Health Day. From its inception at the First Health Assembly in 1948 and since taking effect in 1950, the celebrations has aimed to create awareness of a specific health theme to highlight a priority area to concern the World Health Organization. Bharat Ratna Dr. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar's birth anniversary was celebrated on 14th April 2021 at Mahamana Madan Mohan Malviya Inter College, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. On this occasion, Scouts and Guides, Rovers and Rangers also motivated the local public to get vaccinated under the Tika Utsav public awareness campaign to protect against ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. On 14th April 2021, members of Ariara district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed Ambedkar birth anniversary under the leadership of Mr. Baijnath Prasad Shah, District Organizing Commissioner Scout. On the occasion of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar birth anniversary, Srimati M. Varalakshmi, State Secretary Telangana State Bharat Scouts and Guides, garlanded the statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and paid tribute to this great leader. A trekking to Kairam Falls Sohra was participated by Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guides, which was organized by Tour Guides Association of Meghalaya TGAM and Dunia Trailblazers Eco Tour Agency on 10th April 2021. The team was led by Shri Panborlang Nong Kairin, Shri Krokupar R. Lafania, State Headquarters Staff of Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guides, accompanied by Shri Sunny Rai and Shri Daphne I. Dekar Rovers from Impisa Rover Crew and two Rangers from Meghalaya Open Ranger Team, Ms. Monisha M. Nargam and Ms. Megha P. Yadav participated. To develop the self-esteem of young people, Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides and Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully conducted Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence course on 6th and from 9th to 13th April 2021, in which 111 and 60 members participated respectively. Various sessions like image myth, advocacy, etc. were delivered during the course. Rovers and Rangers of Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri Open Group from District Sirsa of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered their service for the 18th consecutive year at the New Samvatsar Mela at Dera Baba Sarainathji in Sirsa on 13th April 2021 and distributed masks and sanitizer hands of all the pilgrims. NF Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a pioneering workshop for Scouts and Guides on 10th April 2021 at Scout Hut Badarpur, in which 64 Scouts and Guides along with 7 unit leaders and district officials participated. The Rovers and Rangers of Northern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides continuously rendering their services in Kumbh Mela at Haridwar by providing mask, sanitizer and maintaining the social distance and helping the pilgrims in different way. Uttar Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized an awareness campaign to motivate people about social distancing and necessity of masks during this pandemic situation in District Varanasi on 13th April 2021 on the first day of Navratri at Durga Kund Temple. Rovers and Rangers also helped the local administration for maintaining the line and discipline. Organized one-day camp on 13th April 2021 at Pulkul village, Rajpur, Dehradun. 26 Rovers and Rangers along with unit leader Shri Birendra Singh were participated. Motto of the camp was to make shelter and food in available situation. The Badarpur District Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway State organized a pioneering workshop for Scouts and Guides on 10th of April 2021 at District Scout Hut, Badarpur. 64 participants along with 7 unit leaders participated in the workshop. The state officials along with UPS coordinator of Bharat Scouts and Guides Nagaland State visited St. Joseph's College, Jakhama, Nagaland on 7th April 2021. A meeting was held with Dr. George Ketolo Angami to discuss about promotion of Rovers and Rangers in the college. A skill development workshop was organized at Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko of Kamrup, district of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Assam State, on 10th of April 2021, the Rangers of College took active part under the guidance of their unit leader, Miss Vijaya Deka. They learned various cutting and embroidery skills and taught other students in the college too. Karnataka Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted state level Rajya Puraskar testing camp of Ballari at Sandur. Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Tritiya Sofan and Chaturth Charan testing camp for Scouts and Cubs at Tadikonda Regional Training Center, Guntur district from 10th to 14th April 2021, in which 94 Scouts and 47 Cubs participated respectively under the leadership of Sri Srinivas Rao ALT Scout and Sri Fanibhushan ALT Cubs. Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted competitions on uniform, promise, and law of Scouts and Guides. Important information. Due to increase in COVID-19 cases in Delhi and NCR, all public deline the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters, Lakshmi Mazumdar Bhavan 16, MG Mark, IP Estate, New Delhi will remain suspended with immediate effect up to 30th April 2021 or till further notification. Due to unprecedented increase of COVID-19 pandemic cases in the country, all the ensuring regional and national level youth programs and adult leader training courses circulated wide NHQ Circular number 31/2021 dated 27th March 2021 is hereby stands postponed up to 30th June 2021 or till further notifications. This is all for today's news. This is Jeshita Reddy from Telangana State signing off. Thank you.